Hey guys, I'm Rosy Hernandez. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be teaching her how to do her makeup. This is like the end result.
If you want to see what stuff happened, you know.
Nothing happened.
Well, you know.
You're being so dramatic.
Whatever.
No, if you guys want to learn how to put on more makeup.
Hold on. By the way, I'm her daughter. If you guys didn't know, and if you're new to her channel, I'm her daughter. Because you said her, so they were like, who is she?
Oh yeah. She's my teen daughter.
And if you want to see her teach me how to do makeup, then keep on watching and see how I magically was able to do all of this on my own.
Magically?
Like literally. If you guys saw in the past videos, I tried doing her makeup and it was an absolute fail 2 times. So it's kind of crazy how this came to happen.
And if you haven't seen that first video, go watch it right now and then watch this. Okay guys, so just so you know, the most important part before you do your makeup is putting on the lotion. Serum, eye lotion under the eye, and moisturizer. We have that on our faces already, so now we can begin. So the thing about putting on eyeshadow, there's basically 3 shades: the light shade, the medium shade, and the dark shade. First, you apply the lightest shade all over your lid, and then the medium one goes on the crease, and you have to blend it. Blending is really important, and you'll see. I'll show you how to do it. On this side, which is the outer corner, that's where the darkest shadow goes. Okay, and you once again have to blend in with everything. So the first thing that I do my eyeshadow, because I don't like doing my foundation and then my eyeshadow, because then like a bunch of eyeshadow will drop underneath.
Fall out.
So the very first thing is applying, either they have these like primer bare canvas from MAC. This one is from NARS and it's just a concealer, so you can use either or. Like a few dots. Okay, that's enough for both, actually, for both eyes. That's already a lot.
Okay. As you can tell, I don't wear makeup.
Like, I put a lot. Look at that. That's too much. But you don't need this much. Basically, what it does is it makes your eyeshadow stay on longer and go on nicer. And it'll make the colors more vibrant and more pretty. So the next thing that I learned is that the eyeshadow brushes, or even your face brushes, have to be really good. They have to be good quality. That even matters more than the eyeshadow or makeup itself. And I'm gonna use the lightest color and just apply it all over. And just do it like in strokes. Like, do you see how I'm doing it? Look, do you tap off the excess?
I like put all the excess on my...
Yeah, sorry, I forgot to say that. Don't go all the way to the top, okay? So just put it all on your arm. You can go above, so like...
Am I doing it right?
Yeah, and go in too, like in like the... Yeah, yep. And make sure you put it like all the way out towards here, like towards the end of your brow bone. Go all the way in. There you go, like that. And I just run it one more time just to make sure it's nice and smooth, because you want it to be laying flat on your eyes. Okay, you want to turn on some David Klass?
This is my favorite song.
EP.
Out now, link in bio.
You can be my best friend.
Okay, so after I do that, I move on to the middle, the crease. The brush for this is really important. So this brush is really important because the way that it applies the eyeshadow on the crease is very smooth, very gentle, very light, and I love that about it. It really needs to be soft, like this. See, feel this? That's like the key.
It's not that. This is soft, Mom.
The bristles are soft, but I'm talking about like the strength of it.
Yeah.
You don't want it to be too strong, because then it'll be too harsh on it.
Strong.
It's stronger than this one, look.
Okay, it's strong.
Go like that, and then go like that. Do you see what I'm talking about? Okay, so you just swirl it, and this one I definitely tap off the excess. And then when you apply it, make sure that you go very light. See what I mean? You see what I mean? So go very light in the middle. And bring it inwards and outwards. And bring it higher and then lower. That's how you blend. So you go in, out, and then lower, and then higher. The whole point of blending, you don't want to be able to tell where it starts and where it ends. If you can tell like, oh, that's the middle, this is the top, you're not doing it right. You want it to blend and look seamlessly. So see how it's like blended? I don't know if you can see from there, but
It didn't like doing it.
see, it's not blending. I'm gonna do mine with this one and then I'll let you use this brush, okay? Because I think it's the brush.
Pour us forever, but let's pretend it does.
Look in there. You went a little too low and you didn't go far in. Gotta go all the way in and then you gotta go higher. It's a little better, but let's try it with this brush.
Don't wanna be your fool.
So do you see how I kept it at the top? Compared to you? You went too low. So that's what you want. If you can see, the orange part is lower. And maybe I wasn't clear enough and I'm sorry. But she was supposed to start it higher, like right at the crease. At the crease at the top. And then go in and out like this. And then go higher. Like just blend it higher. And then she can go lower, but it won't be as orange or as dark on her lid as this side. This side is, you can tell that it's more orange. So you see it? So the way to fix that, because I've done that before, is you put the lighter shadow on your lid and then just blend it in. Okay, so now use this again to blend in. Go at the top of the crease and then go a little lower. There you go. Go inwards, above.
Like that?
Go all the way out, all the way out. There you go, like that, like that. Up, higher, bring it higher. Okay, so now the next thing is doing it on the corner. So you go like this, look, when you put it, you just swirl it and then tap. So look at me first before you start doing it, okay? So you come in on the corner and you just start putting it on like that and then you blend inward and bring it in. Just keep looking, keep looking.
Designer dressing, Mercedes Benzing, argument just turn things into Armageddon. Feel the pressure.
And then you go into it and then you go out. Does that make sense? And you just keep doing that and you keep blending. Look at the way I'm doing it. People always ask me like, wow, how'd you do your makeup? It looks so nice. How'd you blend it like that? And even Eileen, she'll be like, you did your makeup so nice. And I'm trying to show her how I do it and she's like, keep going. Rub in, rub in, rub in. There you go, like that.
Let's have someone to be around when I get carried away. And I know you put up with so much. I don't mean to make you cry. I'd rather be somewhere else with you.
Not sure if this was the best option to blend in with this.
How does it look? I don't know.
See, so it blends. Brush that had the lighter one.
Are you listening to me?
Huh?
Are you listening? To do it?
Yes, you did. Good job. Wow, it looks better than mine.
We're young, but our life is moving.
Good job.
She's jealous whenever she says like that.
It looks really good.
Hi, you thought I already know how to do makeup. No, just kidding.
You like it, huh? I could tell you like it. You're like,
It looks so extra.
Time away is driving me insane. You gotta let me know. Wow.
Very serious, like, did I actually like do it?
yeah, you did right. Yours looks better than mine right now.
I love what you're talking about. It's all about the color.
I know. It really is. If you don't choose the right colors.
I feel like you should use it from the same palette though. Like,
I know. So I'm wiping with the tissue because it fell on my face.
She says, oh, why you always am.
It's like this side always comes out better than that side.
bet you my face looks so
crease.
weird when I'm making it.
So you don't want it to go down low. You don't want it to be over here. You want it to go from this outer corner to the inner crease. That's why I got down on one knee. Rosy,
I think it's Baby I Love You.
Yeah,
I think I like it, Baby. You should have made two. The like one that says your name.
I know, just for me. Ooh. Ew. Look at her. She's already a pro. Look at that. Look at that.
I know you're being sarcastic.
No, you look so good. Look at how good it looks. I would never let you wear this much makeup. Wow, you're already blending like a pro. Look at you. Okay, I think that's a little much now.
Okay.
I'll go like that.
So it'll make like a nice little thing.
Yep. So this is what it looks like. When I get to this part, I always feel like ill. Like I just hate the fact that my face isn't done. I don't have any eyeliner. Like it just doesn't look like it's gonna be good. But these next steps are what's gonna tie everything in.
1 hour later.
So that's the eyeliner. So you see how it ties it all in? Like this eye looks way better than that eye already. So you want to give it a go?
Yeah.
3 hours later.
Wow, you did good. That's crazy. You did perfect.
It came out good, but like it didn't come out the way I wanted it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But you know, whatever. I guess it's good.
My right side looks way better than the left. The key is don't open your eyes all the way when you're doing your eyeliner, because otherwise your eyeliner will end up at the top
literally giving me
of the lid. You don't want that. You want it to dry before you open your eyes all the way.
I messed up. And look right here.
That's the thing that it sucks. If you mess up and one side is thicker, you have to make the other side thicker. Which if the other side is perfect and you're like, oh my god, I love the way this looks, but this side is like way thicker, it looks stupid if you don't make this side thicker. That's basically the dilemma that we're both facing right now. And that's just how makeup goes sometimes, girls. That's why like it's easier when you're all up in the mirror. Like just like, I do not suggest if you mess up on your eyeliner to get a Q-tip and like try to make it thicker with the Q-tip, because then it'll mess up your eyeshadow.
Thinner.
That's what I said, thinner.
You said thicker.
Oh, did I really?
Yes.
Let me see. There you go. It matches perfectly.
But how? The end doesn't even go.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't. Whatever, I give up. Okay, so these are my eyes. I tried. For my first time, it's pretty good, I guess. If it looks good for my first time, you know what I'm saying? Mom, do you think you're a strict mom?
No. There are strict mamas out there.
Shout out to you.
Wow. It looks nice. I like it. Do you like it?
I think it's alright.
I know you like it. It's a lot of makeup, guys. We have a lot of makeup on right now. And we're going to put a lot more on. Next, we're still working on our eyes. Still.
You are?
Because her and I are not blessed with super curly lashes, we have to curl our lashes.
Pause. These are still very beautiful. You guys did not know. Look, they are curly.
Isabella, little Isabella, her eyelashes are like curly and long and thick.
She's so lucky.
And then apply mascara. So girls, Rosy and I did a big no-no, which was share eyeliner. Don't share eyeliner or mascara or eyelash curlers with your friends, because
you can get like infections or whatever, right?
Yeah, but Rosy never wears eyeliner, so that's why I let her wear mine.
Eyeliner is like not my thing.
So there's the mascara. When I'm going out, I like to put on 2 different types of mascaras instead of just one.
Girl,
just to
me
make it
too.
thicker and longer.
6.5 hours later.
So you don't even need fake eyelashes. Look at her eyelashes. So that was all of the eyes. After you do that, now we move on to the face. I know what you're thinking. What about the eyebrows? I don't do that till the very, very end. So we're gonna move on to the face. What I highly recommend is to use a primer.